Is Safari crashing on your iPhone after an iOS update? It can be really annoying, but don't worry, it's usually due to software bugs, cache problems, or compatibility issues. In this video, I'll show you how to troubleshoot and fix the problem step by step. So let's dive right in. Solution 1. Restart Safari. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the app switcher. Find Safari in the list of open apps. Swipe up on the Safari app preview to close it. Now restart your iPhone right after. Reopen Safari and check if the issue persists. Solution 2. Clear Safari cache and website data. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Apps. Scroll down and find Safari. Tap Clear History and Website Data. Confirm by tapping Clear History and Data. Now go back and scroll down. Tap Advanced. Tap Website Data. Tap Remove All Website Data. This can help remove any corrupted data that may be causing the crashes. Solution 3. Disable Safari extensions. Open Settings, scroll down, and tap Apps. Scroll down to Safari, tap Extensions. Toggle off any active extensions or remove them. Extensions may interfere with Safari's functionality. Solution 4. Check for software updates. Open Settings, tap General, tap Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Sometimes Apple releases patches for bugs in recent updates. Solution 5. Free up storage space. Open Settings, tap General, and then tap iPhone Storage. Check if you have sufficient storage available. If storage is low, delete unnecessary apps or files to free up space. That's it. You should now be able to fix the Safari crashing issue on your iPhone after the iOS update. If you're still facing the problem, don't hesitate to contact Apple support for help.